We are at Trust Links in Basildon, which is a therapeutic gardening site, one of several different sites throughout Essex, where Trust Links have lots of individuals come along to take part in therapeutic gardening. Recently, we've been undertaking a review looking at the benefits specifically for symptoms of depression and anxiety, and we found that there were significant reductions in symptoms of depression and anxiety across a range of studies, so demonstrating that individuals that have symptoms of depression and anxiety can actually really come to these kinds of interventions and receive benefits. But alongside that, there are also lots of other benefits that go around that. So it's not just reducing depression and anxiety, it also improves well-being, can reduce loneliness and increase social interaction. So therapeutic gardens are really a social space.
For some people, it's the only place that they come. So just being outside, but in a safe space, is really, really important. And they say if I wasn't coming here, I would just be sitting in my flat on my own. I have seen that people that didn't leave their houses maybe for 4 years or more really flourish, being given a purpose, and then later on communicating what they've learnt to other people and guiding them within the garden.
There's quite a lot of people that wouldn't socialise much, but they seem to be a lot more sort of talkative and wanting to interact more. And we're starting to uncover sort of what their interests are, what they like doing, and then we're going to start introducing groups that they can sort of lead themselves to give them that sort of bit of purpose so they feel useful. So yeah, it's just nice to see people coming out their shell, getting involved with things more, so they just feel, rather than just, I'm just turning up to gardening, it feels like you're actually part of a bigger cause, really.
There is someone who frequently tells me that I saved his life. That's when I was more of a mental health support worker without the overseeing the gardening aspect of it. But he says that, if he hadn't come to Trust Links, he doesn't think he'd be here anymore. Other cases, we've got a young chap who literally wouldn't talk to anyone, head down, not communicating at all. And now he's recently gone on to do the peer support and moving on towards doing co-production with our co-production leaders. And that's come out of the gardening and the confidence that he's got from that.
If I hadn't have found Trust Links and come here, I don't know what I'd have been doing now, to be honest. I was in a really bad place. It sort of opened up my eyes to there's loads of things you can do, there's loads of opportunities, and Trust Links really encourage that. They sort of go, right, if you're interested in this, we'll sort of get behind you, help you out. Like my peer support course, they got me signed up to that. They've moved me on to being a member, to a volunteer. So yeah, I think the opportunities to make people sort of feel more direction, more purpose it's massive, really, yeah.
From this research, what we really want to do is try to engage health professionals and to try and make these types of interventions more widely available to people. So as one of the outputs of our review, we are developing some infographics to try and present the evidence of the benefits to a range of different groups. So we have some for potential members, we have some for health professionals such as GPs, and we also have some that are more aimed at commissioners and policymakers. So that is really the hope, that we try and get these interventions more widely available, more widely funded, and people to know about them, because I think sometimes people don't realise that these interventions are available right around the corner from when they live.